orient the device in the direction the user will be using it. This is important because we will be marking a specific location on the screen for the switch control recipe. On the device, open the app you're going to use to play your music or video. Select your media so that the controls appear on the screen. Using a small piece of the sticky note, mark on the screen where the Skip Track Forward button is located. If you wanted to use Play Pause or Skip Track Backwards, you could mark those instead. Exit out of the Music app. Make sure to leave your sticky note on the screen of the device. Next, go to the Settings app, Accessibility, Switch Control. Switch Control should be off. If Switch Control is on, the recipe will not work correctly. Select Recipes. Under Recipes, select Create New Recipe. Name your recipe Skip Track Forward. If using the Bluetooth, you may need to activate the keyboard button on the side of Bluetooth to get the on-screen keyboard to appear. Select Assign a Switch. If using Bluetooth, choose Blue. Select Custom Gesture. You will be brought to a screen with instructions. If your sticky note is on top of the Play Stop bar at the bottom of the screen, you will need to tap Hide Controls before creating the custom gesture. Tap on your sticky note marker, then select Save in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. If you chose to hide the controls, you will have to wait for them to come back before you can tap Save. You can now remove the sticky notes. Tap Assign a Switch, then New Recipe. You will now see under Switches that Blue has been assigned Custom Gesture. Make sure Timeout is off. At the top of the screen, select Recipes to go back to the main Recipes menu. Select Launch Recipe. Select Skip Track Forward. At the top of the screen, select Recipes to go back to the main Recipes menu. Then, Switch Control to go back to the main Switch Control menu. Turn Switch Control on. When Switch Control turns on, you will see a message appear in the middle of your device that says your switches are configured to use the Skip Track Forward recipe. On the device, open the Media app. Make sure the device is in the same orientation as it was when you placed your sticky note marker on the screen. In our example, we are going to make sure the music is playing before giving the device to the user. They will only be able to change the song playing. When the user activates the blue switch top on Bluetooth, the app will skip to the next song. Once finished with the Media app, you can turn the recipe off by going to the Settings app, then Accessibility, Switch Control, and turn Switch Control off. You must also go to Recipes, Launch Recipe, and change this back to None.